Today we're working on the defense against the hook punch. It's short, it's quick, and it'll get you. To defend the hook, you need to have some good footwork. You gotta get out of the way and stay in range. That's what you're gonna be working on today. Let's get to it. If I'm stepping in front and trying to depend on this ton to defend that hook, I'm in for a world of pain. It takes a little bit more footwork in order to defend that. I'm stepping forward, the hands are going up to activate. I'm trying to catch, turn, back to my opponent, and push. Punch and ton, same time. I don't want that hook to slip right over. If I do this, the hook's gonna go right around it and smack me in the head. I don't want that, you don't want that. Your opponent probably wants that, but we don't wanna play with that. So that's why as we're stepping, we're trying to get behind the person and punch out. Let's look at that drill on the footwork. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do the footwork with the handwork. Now, as you know, what gets measured gets done. We're going to take our T and we're going to add to it. As you can see here behind me, I just have my usual T and add some lines off on the angle. So let's put this away, and let's get that footwork going. Guards up, I step, turn, and punch with the ton. Now, from here, my feet should be pointed towards the line. My hips are back towards where I started from. Again, I step, twist, boom. Now I'm back towards where I started. Step, back to where I started. I'm not punching out to the side. I'm putting my back to where my opponent would be. To practice this move, you can use, of course, wooden dummy. If you don't have one, you can just put a chair in the center or anything like that to get this to work. Let me show you the movement with an object, so you're making sure you're paying attention to the right things. As I'm standing here facing my object, I'm going to step out and away, turn, and push. As I'm standing here facing the object, I step around, push. Notice I'm to the side of the object. On my feet, they want to be my back leg facing towards them. All right, guys, to review. Today we worked on the defense against the hook punch. We used the ton sal. We also used some fancy footwork, but instead of stepping straight forward, we flank off to the side. That's going to be important in changing the game for you. Being able to not just move forward and back, to be able to move to the side and doing it safely, correctly, and putting yourself in the best position to get the advantage, to be focused on your target, which is what Wing Chun's all about. So I hope you guys are keeping up, keeping fit, staying healthy. And remember, Kung Fu is for everybody. Bye.